so much more in manufacturing than you might realize before you get into it. There's just so many different ways that you can use what you like and what you're good at to create a career for yourself and create a good living for your family.
When you walk out anywhere, any day, any given time, you touch everything that an engineer is involved with. I go back to some of the products. I can go to particular vehicles and I can open up a hood of a car and I can actually see what I designed. So the satisfaction there is incredible.
Everything we use has to be manufactured somehow. And so whether it's directly machined on a piece of equipment like this, or whether it's through tooling, like a die or a mold, like if it's a plastic part, say a Frisbee, CNC machines have to produce that tooling, that mold, in order to produce that plastic part.
Here in Muskegon, we do have a pretty prominent aerospace industry. There is several other industries. There's the regular skilled trades, sheet metal trades, you got the pipe fitters, iron workers. These are all different good areas, good directions for students coming out of this welding program to go.
I've actually spoken with the instructor before about what I'm aiming to go for, what kind of position, and I'm finding that I'm really enjoying welding, fabrication type stuff, and I'm hoping to eventually find a position that utilizes those skills.
I feel manufacturing is a challenge. I enjoy coming to work. It just seemed interesting to me, and I know you can make a living in manufacturing.
A lot of these jobs you can actually work your way up to and become a production quality engineer like myself, or a manufacturing engineer, or project engineer, etc. The opportunities are numerous out there, in West Michigan alone. But they're also well-paying, good jobs, stable jobs.
They'll start off as operators. Typical wages are $14 to $16 an hour for an operator. We offer full training to anybody who is on the floor. We probably have 5 to 6 guys on the floor who are averaging probably over $60,000 to $70,000 a year. I make really good money for what I do, but I think I'm a huge part of the company.
Anybody can go buy the equipment sitting on our manufacturing floor and have a factory set up, but without people who really care about what they're doing and are committed to what they're doing and understand what they're doing, you don't have a business anymore.
Early on in my life, I learned manufacturing wasn't just a job. I learned that I could move up, better myself, and learn that manufacturing was actually fun and be a career that I wanted to do.
So in West Michigan, we make automotive parts, aerospace parts. We make springs, and we also have quite a few medical device manufacturers, lots of food processing and agriculture businesses, whether you want to be a farmer or you want to be involved in food processing. We also have many foundries.
Furniture, we have medicinal factories as well.
You don't have to come in being an expert in everything. You can be somewhere in between, figure out what you like and what you're good at, and use that to really hone in on where you want to take yourself.
Compared to what it was and what it is now, I think it's a totally different industry. And I have a picture of Continental Motors from my great-grandpa worked there, and it's all belt driven, old school.
What I've seen in the manufacturing field lately is shops typically are clean. They typically have a lot of computer equipment. They typically have a lot of screens like you see here.
If you are entering into manufacturing or you have already been with a company for years, there are lots of different opportunities still for you to take advantage of, especially because of Industry 4.0 and the technology advances that we are making in manufacturing. Those give you new skills and opportunities for you to grow in your career.
What you will see is you come downtown and our facilities are state of the art. Okay, our instructors are state of the art. Most have engineering degrees and most are here to make sure that you're successful. It is really a hot job market out there for technology. You'll have the little bit of edge over other people in that you have skills that are in demand.
Please consider a career in manufacturing. There are over 300 local manufacturers located here in Muskegon County. many of whom pay between $13 to $20 per hour for entry-level positions. Most pay for college and training, and you can make up to $40,000 to $65,000 plus per year with your new skills.